The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning for northwestern Imperial County in southeastern California, Riverside County in southern California, until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a wall of dust was along a line extending from 15 miles southeast of Salton City to 11 miles northeast of Westmoreland to 20 miles northeast of Brawley, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility. Source, public. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: California Route 78 between mile markers 4 and 13. California Route 111 between mile markers 29 and 65. California Route 86 between mile markers 31 and 67. Locations impacted include Salton City, Salton Sea Beach, Desert Shores, Bombay Beach, Calipatria, Slab City, The Island, Winema, Imperial Hot Mineral Springs, and Coolidge Springs. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive.